Today's video is sponsored by Do Fasting.
Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is all about intermittent fasting. I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how to get rid of all the unwanted weight, the water weight, just everything. I'm going to be showing you guys one simple process that's going to help you get rid of all of that. Whether your goal is to lose weight, gain weight, maintain your weight, or just get healthy, this process is going to help everybody regardless of what your goals are. With that said, let's get into the video. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Mercy. I'm an RN BSN, and on this channel, I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty, natural hair. I do some home decor, some clean with me, feminine hygiene. I just do a little bit of everything. I like to call my channel a one-stop shop, all right? First of all, before we get into the video, I would like to officially say Happy New Year. I'm pretty sure this is my first video, the first video that you guys are gonna see during the new year, and I wanted to do it right. So I want to say Happy New Year. I wish you all the best, and I hope and pray that all of your dreams, goals, and ambitions come true this year. I know this is kind of a different way to start the New Year's, but everybody has a New Year's resolution. And if you guys are females like myself, y'all know that the first thing on every female's list is to get healthy or lose weight. We just came from celebrating the biggest holidays of the year, and let me tell you, it's been crazy, especially for me. I don't know about you guys, but it was crazy for me. I traveled back home to my family for about 2 weeks, which meant that I not only ate a lot of junk food, but I also ate a lot of home cooked meals, which means it was mixed up. I have family bringing food, I have friends bringing foods, I have neighbor bringing foods. I went to some African restaurants. It was a lot. And y'all know that mixing up food and not really having a routine or a regimen can, kind of take a toll on your body. That is one of the reasons I wanted to make this my first video, because I want to get on a healthy journey and I want you guys to do it with me. So y'all know that I am a big advocate for intermittent fasting. I've actually done a few videos about this. A lot of you have been asking me how I was able to get my body back after having a baby. My daughter is a little over 2 years old now, and it seems like I was able to snap back really fast. Well, that is not exactly true. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication to snap back. So it's taken me 2 years to get to, where I really want to be, but I want to stay that way. My goal is not to lose weight, but my goal is to maintain and also get healthy. And that is where intermittent fasting comes in. For those of you who don't know what intermittent fasting is just a fancy term for fasting or fasting at a certain time. Intermittent fasting is a great way to not only lose weight, but it also has so many health benefits like gut health, maintaining your weight, shrinking your waist, having discipline, knowing when to eat and when not to eat, knowing how much to eat, how much not to eat, knowing the kinds of food you should eat, and just a whole lot more. So for me, intermittent fasting was what helped me get rid of my baby weight or my baby fat as soon as I had my baby. Within 6 months' time, I was back to my regular weight. When I was pregnant, that was the biggest I ever been. Nothing fit me. I was uncomfortable. Of course, it was justified because I was pregnant. But right after I had my baby, I was still feeling the same way because I had always been small. My weight does not really fluctuate like that. So it was confusing for me because I didn't know how to shop for myself. I didn't know what fits my body. So I made it a goal to get back to my original weight or at least something close to it. And intermittent fasting was what helped me get there. So what I do is, first of all, you have to think about your schedule and your lifestyle to make this work for you. For me personally, I look at my schedule, and that's how I'm able to work the whole intermittent fasting thing around my schedule. So for me, how I fast is I do from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. That means that I don't eat anything between those times. You can still drink water. In fact, I highly encourage you to still drink your water or increase your fluid intake. The main goal is to train your body to have a short amount of time where you're not eating anything solid, especially, right? So I go from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. So when 8 p.m. comes around, I don't eat anything else. I don't care how good the food is. I don't care how much I've been craving it. It can wait till tomorrow. I will save it till tomorrow. That gives your body a certain amount of time to not only rest, but to also do its work, right? And this is when you can literally feel your stomach contracting. That is the enzymes in your body going after those fat reserves and getting rid of them, right? Because fat tends to sit in your body and just chill. So your body uses the glucose from the foods and all the other unhealthy stuff that you consume to, continue the process, right? To break it down, get what it needs to digest it and do all of that. But when there is a long interval where you're not feeding your body consistently, there is nothing for the enzymes in your body to go after, right? So they end up going for those fats in your body, in different parts of your body that is just sitting there chilling. It grabs them, breaks them down, and that's how you end up losing weight, maintaining your weight, or overall getting healthier. So that is just a little bit about how intermittent fasting works. I, as I've said, have done a video on this in details. So if you guys want to see that, I'll leave that down below. And as I said, today's video is sponsored by Do Fasting. Do Fasting is an app that helps you stay on track. I did this video before a while back and it got a lot of views. A lot of you guys liked it. And up to this day, a lot of you still ask me how I'm able to stay in shape, how I'm able to keep my arms firm, how I'm able to keep my belly flat, just how I'm able to keep my small frame small. And to be completely honest with you, I am not a workout freak. I have a busy schedule. I have a 2-year-old. I have a job. I just have a whole lot going on. So I don't really have the luxury to have a consistent workout routine where I can even go to the gym. So whenever I work out at home and I do simple things like squats and sit-ups and push-ups and stuff like that. But the main thing that really helps me is my intermittent fasting. And the main thing that also helps me with that is the Do Fasting app. This app is great because it's going to keep you online. It's going to keep you in check. It's going to keep you accountable. And it's just going to give you a sense of community to fall back on when you feel like you're slipping off. We all know how that is when we start the new year and we're like, this year I'm going to lose 10 pounds and I'm going to keep it off. And by February, all of that is out the window. That's where this app comes in because it helps you, like I said, stay on track. So you download the app, you follow the prompts, and first you're gonna go to the actual website to sign up because it's gonna take you through a very simple quiz. And this quiz is just gonna ask you your age, your height, your goals, your eating habits, your workout habits, your physical activity levels, just simple things like that so they can kind of get an idea of who you are and what you're trying to achieve so that they can also come up with a plan that works for you. It's pretty simple and it's pretty inexpensive.
Do Fasting is currently offering up to 75% off all fasting plans. And you can also get an additional 10% off for using my code MERCY10.
For me, the way that I have been able to know that I need to either get healthy or lose weight or maintain my weight is when I feel like I'm out of shape. When a small person like me is not able to go up 3 staircases, like 3 steps, without feeling like I'm gonna die, that's when I know I need to do something. When my skin starts breaking out for no reason and leaving super dark spots, that's when I know I need to do something. When I eat and I feel very uncomfortable and I feel like I'm having heartburn or just this uncomfortable feeling, again, that's when I know I need to do something. So this year, with all the health issues going on, especially with the pandemic and with everyone having to stay home more, I think that it is very important for all of us to have healthy habits. Otherwise, we're setting ourselves up for failure. I want to come up with a great skincare routine, a great hair care routine, and a great health routine. That is one of my biggest New Year's resolution for this year. Again, I'm not trying to lose weight. I'm just trying to keep my frame, keep my physique, and just look cute and comfortable when I get dressed up or even when I'm at home. I hate the feeling of feeling bloated. I hate the feeling of feeling, like I'm out of shape or I'm unhealthy. I just hate that feeling. I want to be back in shape. I want to be back healthy. I want to stay healthy, and everything else would make sense after that. And you'll notice that when you're healthy from the inside, you feel healthier, your skin shows it, your mood shows it, your sleep habits shows it, everything shows it. It's very important. So I want to share this experience with you guys. I want to keep you guys posted, and I want you guys to keep me posted with your journey as well. And I highly encourage you to sign up for Do Fasting because literally it's going to change your life and it's going to make it so much easier to achieve your weight loss and health goals. I'm going to leave some info down below so you guys guys can check it out. I'm also going to leave everything you need to know about Do Fasting. I'm also going to leave a discount code to help you guys access the program. If you did like the video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below and also hit the bell notification so you'll never miss another video. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My goal is to grow on Instagram this year. I'm going to be posting a lot more. I'm going to be doing a lot of Insta stories. I'm going to be doing a lot of reels. So please go ahead and check out all the fun on my Instagram page. All right, family. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.